Open the car interface and open the glove box. Go to Safety, scroll to the bottom, and click Power Off. Remove the passenger side trim panel. Peel back the rubber seal and gently lift upward. Remove the triangle trim panel using the provided prying tool. Insert the tool between the two trim pieces to create a gap. Push upward along the panel to open the gap. Insert from the side, continue lifting upward. Lift the opposite side upward as well. After loosening all the clips, pull the trim outward. Do not twist the panel at this area to avoid breaking it. Pull straight outward, not at an angle. Be careful when removing the two lower clips. Upper clips can be pulled directly. Lower clips must be removed by pulling, not twisting. Twisting may break the clip. The clip is hooked inside and must be pulled straight. After removing the triangle trim, remove the door sill trim. Start by removing the expansion bolt. Use the prying tool to lift out the circular center. Then remove the entire bolt by hand. Remove any floor mats or objects blocking the sill. Lift the sill trim from the side. There are clips underneath. Be cautious during removal. Reach into the seam or use the prying tool to lift it. Do the same on the opposite side. Pull the front section toward the rear to remove. If metal clips fall into the body, use the tool to retrieve and reinstall. Insert the metal clip back into its original position. Begin installing the main control box. Locate two connectors, one small, one large, and empty. Press the button on the small plug and unplug it. Find matching plugs on the control box harness. Plug in both small connectors securely. Make sure the lower plug is inserted, otherwise it won't power on and may cause errors. Use the remaining plug to connect to the large empty socket. This socket is used for power doors or smart handles. If a plug is already inserted, remove it, connect ours first, then reconnect the original. This ensures power doors and modifications work normally. Power on the dashboard display to test. Check if the functions and data sync correctly. After confirmation, organize the box and wires. Reinstall the sill trim. Insert the two plugs at the front sideways first. Then press in the bottom clips. Align the three holes and press to secure. Ensure it is flat and fully seated. Reinsert the expansion bolt. Insert the outer ring first, then press the center pin. Install the triangle trim panel. Snap in the lower clip first, then the upper one. Align the side clips and push them in. After all trim is secured, return the rubber seal. Main control box installation is complete.